What is electrical power? By KayScience.com. Power can be defined as the rate of energy transfer, where P equals E over T, or power equals energy divided by time. Here we have a simple series circuit with a 3-volt cell. This 3-volt cell causes the electric current to flow around the circuit. The electric current is the flow of charge per second. Where I've drawn the red circles with crosses represents a close-up of the metal wire. The red circles with crosses represents the vibrating metal ions. As the metal ions vibrate, the electrons collide with them, shown by the arrows going into the vibrating metal ions. So these electrons collide with vibrating metal ions, also known as cations. Because of this, the cell does work to force the electrons through wires and components. As the cell does work to force these electrons through the metal wire, these electrons continue to collide with the vibrating metal ions. A filament lamp has been inserted into this simple series circuit, and the electric current then continues to flow around the circuit as the electric current flows through the filament lamp. The electrons transfer energy from the cell to the filament lamp as the current flows through the filament lamp. So we've already established power can be defined as the rate of energy transfer, and rate just means time, how quickly something happens. What determines how quickly the energy is transferred in an electrical circuit is the electric current. We can see this as the definition of the electric current is the flow of charge per second. So the aspect of time is controlled by the electric current. And then energy is controlled by the potential difference, as potential difference is how much energy each coulomb of charge has. We can use this understanding to calculate electrical power, where power equals current times potential difference. So electrical power can be summarized as how much energy each coulomb of charge transfers per second. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. The symbol of power is a capital P, and the unit of power is watts, which has the symbol a capital W. For current, the symbol is a capital I, and the unit is amperes, which has the symbol a capital A. For potential difference, the symbol is a capital V, and the unit is volts, which has a symbol capital V. This can be simplified to P equals I times V. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. Pause the video here to practice the keywords. The answers will follow. Press pause to answer the questions. The answers will follow. If stuck, just rewatch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. And don't forget to visit KayScience.com for more videos, worksheets and quizzes at KayScience.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe.